Welcome to Integrity Car Sales and Rentals, wheelchair vehicle specialist with the head office in Sydney, Australia. This is a 2011 Toyota Estima gunmetal exterior with black trim and tinted windows. This is not a wheelchair accessible vehicle. It seats 7, so 2 in the front, 2 in the middle and 3 in the rear. 2 middle automatic sliding doors are operational from a button near the driver's seat. The interior has grey striped carpets and dark grey black seats. The cover for the sunroof is also operational from the driver's seat. The dash is grey with silver and wood-like inlay. It has a radio and reverse camera. Integrity can replace this with a touch screen stereo with Bluetooth if required. Mode and volume controls are on the driving wheel and the front sunroof opens. There is a large rear space. The middle seats are on slides so that their placement in the car can be modified. They can move far forward or right to the rear of the vehicle. The rear 3 seats are under a cover. The cover can be removed, as you can see. Then the seats can easily be lifted up. Once lifted up, the seats' backs can then also be lifted. So the seats can be lifted together or separate. So you could have just the 1 seat or 2 or all 3 seats at the same time, depending on what is needed. The rear now has a handy cavity for storage. Here you see the back of the seats being pulled back and the straps just hooked into the back of the chair. Again, this is some really nice engineering by Toyota. This vehicle is a 4-door with a hatch in the rear. The middle sliding doors are pragmatic. They make getting into and out of the car so much easier and definitely safer. This Estima has a V6 3.5 litre 2GRFE engine. This car presents beautifully and is a classic family vehicle which will be well used and appreciated for its size, adaptability and versatility. For more information on this car, please visit xr.com.au or call 1300 Wellcab to speak to one of our friendly staff.